All right, good afternoon. It's good to see you again. And we're going to have a new lesson today that has something to do with yesterday's lesson. So yesterday we talked about polynomials, right? And we know that there are different kinds of polynomials, monomials, binomials, trinomials. All right. So by today, maybe you know how to determine if an algebraic expression is a polynomial or not, right? I gave you an exercise yesterday. Let's try to answer that, okay? I'm going to call anyone to give me your answer. Just tell me which of these are polynomials. So let's start. So I think this is the one I gave you yesterday. Did you answer this? All right. So number one, 5x to the negative 4. Is that a polynomial? Yes or no? Can I have Amon Mani? Amon Mani, is this a polynomial?
No.
No, because there is negative exponent. Okay? Yes, that's the reason. There's a negative exponent in number one. How about number two? Odi, is this a polynomial?
Sorry, which one?
Number two, 3a over
3a is a polynomial because when we write in the multiplication block, it being 3ab squared.
That's right. So if you change b to the negative 2, that will be 3a b square. So the
Yeah.
exponent here of a is 1. Of course, that's positive, and then 2. So it's positive integer. So yes. And this is what you call the coefficient. 3 is called the coefficient of the monomial. So this is a monomial because there's only one term. A and B are the variables. Okay. All right. Next, number 3. Is this a polynomial? Can I have Harris? Number 3. Harris, are you here? Okay, so what's the answer number 3? Is this a polynomial? What's your answer? Yes or no? Yes? Are you sure? This one is monomial, right?
Yes.
Yes. How about this one? Negative 1 over n squared. Is this a monomial?
Yes.
No, it's not because there's a variable in the denominator. So this is no because why? Because the variable
Yes. Valuable
is
is
in denominator. Okay?
okay.
All right. So can you say that again, Harris? No, because
No, because the valuable is in the denominator.
very good. Yes. All right. Can I have number 4, Jirapat? We have 3 over 4p to the 5.
Is a no
No, but why not?
because the variable is in the denominator.
Very good. Denominator. All right. Again. Denominator.
Because the variable is in the denominator.
Yes. All right. Number 5. I'll have very good. Modem. Number 5. Is this a polynomial, Modam?
No. Yeah.
Are you sure? X cubed is up, not in the below. It's in numerator.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Number 6. Can I have Tanabudi? Number 6.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Um.
Do you see this?
Oh, no.
All right, because
The variable is in the denominator.
that's right. Okay, can I have number 7? Tanaton.
Yes. I'm here.
Okay. Oh, by the way, number 6, the variable c. Okay, the variable c is in the denominator, so it's not a polynomial. All right, number 7, Tanaton, is this a polynomial?
No, teacher.
Because
I have M and M.
m in the
Yes.
denominator. Okay. All right.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, that's okay. Number 8, can I have Ponchita? Where's my Ponchita? Number 8, yes or no? Yes?
No.
No, because this is yes. Polynomial, monomial. How about this? Is this a monomial? Negative 4p over 3q squared. So this is, what's the answer, Ponchita? What is the answer again? Hello, Ponchita. What's your answer again? What did you say? Did you say no?
Yeah, I say no.
Because?
Is denominator.
Yeah, which variable is in the denominator? What letter? P, Q? Which variable? It is Q. Okay, the second term, which is negative 2Q over P to the negative 3, I can change this to what? Negative 2 P to the power 3Q. Okay, all right? So that's not anymore negative. If I'm going to change that to positive 3, so that's a monomial. But the third one, it's not a monomial. So that is why the whole of this expression, the answer is no. Okay, because of the third term. Do you understand? No, because of the third term. So first and second, yes, but then the third term is not, so no. All right, let's have another last problem here, number 9. So I ask you to give me an example of true monomial expressions built up from 3 variables as 6 over 7 as the coefficient and 4 as the degree. Who has an answer? Number 2, can you give me one example?
6 over 7
Yes,
X-
Audie?
x square y z.
Can you write it on the annotate? Can you write it there? Just one. Just give me one. Annotate. That's correct. 6 over 7. All right. X squared. Yes. Y.
Finish.
All right. Very good. Yay. I'll give you 10 points.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so 6 over 7 is the coefficient. We have 3 variables, x, y, and z. What is the degree? 4th degree because 2 is the exponent of x. What's the exponent of y? 1 plus 1 plus the z plus 1. So we get 4. Okay, you understand? Okay, who has another one aside from Audi? Can you give me another monomial expression? This time, don't use X, Y, Z. You can use A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Any letters in the English alphabet, okay? But you have to use 6/7 as the coefficient and 4 as the degree. How about Jirapat? One of my... Yeah. Can you write your own example here? Number 2. All right. Annotate.
Okay. Okay. Hả?
Okay. Yeah, that you always start with 6/7. That's right. And then
Yeah. And I can use another line.
yes, don't use X, Y, Z. A, yeah, you can use A.
Um.
3 variables, right? Okay.
That's,
ABC. And then you need 4 as the degree. All right. So you can have 6/7 A squared BC. Or you can also have 6/7 AB C square. That's okay. Or maybe you can have 6/7 X Y square Z. All right, as long as there's 6/7 here, and then 3 variables, and then the exponents 1 plus 2 plus 1, or 1 plus 1 plus 2, or 2 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 4th degree. All right, very good. So now let's look at some pictures here. I have some pictures here which I want you to look at. Let's talk about combining like terms. What do you mean by like terms? I think I discussed this last time. But let's look at this one. This is funny, okay? Hopefully you will find it funny. Hopefully you will find it funny. Here you go. Okay, so I have 1 bit of corn. It's a corn bits. Okay? Corn bits. So on the first picture, I have 1 bit of corn plus 2 bits of corn equals 3. Next, I have 3 bits of corn plus 3 bits of corn equals 6. So what will happen if I'm going to add? How do you add a whole corn? It's a whole corn to a single bit of corn. Can you add it or not? You have a whole corn to a single bit of... It's funny, but this is how you do it when you were in your primary. I think in Pratum or grade 1 or grade 2, right? That's how you learn addition. But you're still doing that in Matayom or in high school. It's still the same, but we're just using X, Y, Z or variables. So can you add them? What's your answer? Audie, can you add them? That whole corn and 1 bit of corn? Can you or can you not? What do
It's
you
like
think?
1.
1 bit of corn, 1 whole corn plus... Is that okay? And why not? The answer is
Yes.
yes. How? What's your answer? If you can give me an answer, then yes. So what's your answer? How many corns is that? This is in Facebook. I just saw this in Facebook and I said, oh, this is your lesson in math. The
Yeah.
answer is no, you cannot add them. Why? Why can't you not add them? Because let's say I have money. Let's say I'm a rich person. I have US dollar and I have Philippine peso and Thai baht. Okay. All right. I'll show you something here. Wait. So teacher J is rich. I have a lot of money. So I have, let's say I have $1,000. Oh, Teacher J is rich. And then I also have 50,000 pesos, Philippine pesos. And then I have 20,000 baht. How do you write baht? Thai baht, like this. How much money do I have in total? Can you add it?
No,
Why not?
it's different.
Yes, they're not the same. You cannot add them. $1,000 plus 50,000 pesos plus 20,000 baht. So what will I do so that I can add them? So the answer is cannot, because they're different terms. You call it like terms. Add
Oh,
them.
so the like term is like x, y, and z.
Yes.
X and x and x, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You cannot add them. Unless you change $1,000 to baht. How much is it in baht? Do you know how much?
30,000.
Yeah,
30,000
30,000 baht. And 50,000 pesos is approximately, how much is 50,000? 30,000 baht also. So Philippine peso, 50,000 is about 30,000 baht also. And then I also have 20,000 baht. Oh, so I have a lot of money. So I have, what's my total? So now I can add them because, why can I add them now?
because they have because they are all bad.
Yeah, they're all in baht. They are called like terms. Do you understand? It's like in the corn. You cannot add the whole corn and a single bit of corn. Why? What are we talking about here? The bit of corn, number of bit of corn, or the whole corn? So we cannot add them. So this is 80,000 baht. All right. So when you go to, for example, to the USA, so you use a different kind of money. All right. Or if you go to the United Kingdom, then you use, I think they use euros. All right. So whatever you bring with you, baht, then you have to change it to their currency. Okay. All right. So that's what you're going to learn. So what do you mean by like terms? So that's the idea when you add two things. You can only add two things if they are like terms. For example, I have examples. All right, let's just use positive numbers. 3x plus 4x. Let's say x is baht. 3 baht plus 4 baht equals 7 baht. This is x. So we will add 3 plus 4 x. So 7x. All right. So what do you do? What you have to do? You just add the, what's this called again? The coefficients or the numbers. We call them coefficients. All right. Okay, so let's have another example. If I have 3x plus negative 4x, what's the answer? Who wants to try? Beer. 3x plus negative 4x is equal to? So you just add 3 plus negative 4 and then x. Beer, no answer? Why is it all the picture at background is Jirapat? And then Jirapat's picture is Audi with duck face. What are you doing?
Teacher, this one is answer.
Nothing, teacher.
This one, the answer is negative x, right?
That's right, because this is negative 1, right? Times x. We don't have to write we don't need to write 1, okay? So we just write negative x. No need to put 1 because 1 times x is just x. So this is negative, so you write negative x, all right? Number 3, how about if I change it to negative 3x squared plus 4x squared? So that is negative 3 plus 4. So you just add the coefficients and then copy this x squared. They're just the same. Okay? So negative 3 plus 4 is 1 times x squared. Again, you don't have to write 1. You just copy x squared.
Mm-hmm.
Because if any number multiplied to a, you still get the same number a. So it's the same here. Okay? Number 4, negative 3x squared plus negative 4x. Let's say I'm going to use 3. So this is 3. Okay? All right, so Gem, what is the answer? Gem. Hello, Gem. Gem, you're not here yesterday. You answer me. Oh, if you don't want to answer Gem, I want you to dance TikTok right now. Because I know you like dancing, right? Mirachaya, come on. I know you like dancing and you're beautiful, pretty. So Gem will show us the TikTok dance. Come on, Gem. Where is Gem? Do you want to see Gem dancing? Oh, Tanaton, what's that? 2 boys are fighting. Oh no, who's that? Jirapat. Is that teacher Bree?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay.
Okay. I will answer. Okay.
Okay, you answer. What's the answer?
Yeah.
The 7x to
Is it positive 7?
negative 7 x cube. Yeah.
That's right. So negative 7 because it's both negative. Then you just add them. Okay? Now let's do some subtraction because we know that subtraction is the same as when you are adding, right? What's the difference between subtraction and addition? You just subtract them, okay? Okay, but again, it's just the same because you're just doing combine similar terms. So let's say I have 4m minus 9m. So that is just equal to 4 minus 9. So same, but this time we're going to subtract. So what's 4 minus 9? Negative 5m. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 4 minus 9 is negative 5. So negative 5m. Okay? Number 2, subtraction 8n to the 4 minus negative 2n to the 4. So this is 8 minus negative 2. Okay, and then the variable is n power 4. Okay, so what's 8 minus negative? This will become plus. So 8 plus 2, n to the 4. So 10 n to the 4. All right? That's the answer. So you're just combining terms as well. Same. Negative 13 xy cubed minus 7 xy cubed. What is this? I'm gonna call Pupa, one of the handsome boys
Okay.
in. Yeah. Yes, what's the answer?
Negative 20 xy exponent 3.
Very good. Yes. Okay. And for the information of everybody, this is negative 13 minus 7 and then xy cubed. But minus is what? This is plus negative 7. So negative 13 plus negative 7. Both negative. So you have to add it. 13 plus 7 is 20 and then negative. Okay? Xy cubed. Very good, Pupa. Number 4. Negative a b square c cube minus negative a b square c cube. Okay, can I have? Who wants to answer this? Who wants to answer this? Stamp.
Okay.
What's the answer?
Wait, teacher.
Yeah, sure.
Zero.
Very good. Yes, this is 0. Maybe some people don't think that this is 0, but what? This is minus negative, right? If it's minus negative, you change it to plus ab square c cube. Negative ab square c cube. Positive negative. Right? So that will cancel out. So that's 0. Because according to the rule, if it's a plus negative a, 0 because they are additive inverse. Or negative a plus a, 0. In this case, our variable is ab squared c cubed, which are just the same. So you can combine them and put them together, and that's actually just equal to 0 because one is positive, the other one is negative. All right? So that one is a little bit easier because we're just dealing with monomials. But how about if we have several monomials? So let's learn that next time. Maybe on Tuesday because we don't have class tomorrow. So for today, you continue doing the worksheets. The first worksheet yesterday. Can you do that today? Okay.
I have already did it. Yeah.
Finish already? Okay, that's good.
Did it.